Now we've completed the formatting of the numbers in this worksheet. We've added the dollar sign, we've formatted the percentage, the dates and the times. Let's add some font colors, background colors, and borders. So first we select cell A1, and since this is the title of this worksheet, we want to make it at the center. So we select cell A1 and also select all the cells to column F. Now we go to the alignment section of the home tab and click on merge and center. So this will make the title in the center and will combine all the cells into one cell. Now let's add some background color to this cell. We go to the font section of the home tab, click on the down arrow of the fill background color, and here you can see we have many colors, and as we hover over the cell will change its background color dynamically. So for example, let's choose a dark blue color here, and since we've chosen a dark color, the text will be hard to see since it is colored in black. So let's change the color of this text, and we go to the font section, click on this down arrow of the font color button, and I will choose a white text color. Now I will also make this text bold. So we go also to the font section and we have these three buttons: bold, italic, and underline. And also there is a shortcut for bold, so instead of pressing on the bold button to make it bold, we can simply hold on the Ctrl key and press B. And also for italic, we can hold on the Ctrl key and press I. For underline, we can hold on the Ctrl key and press U. Now we've finished from the title. Let's format these months here, okay, and also the percentage. So we choose all these cells, we go to the font section, click on the down arrow of the fill background color. Now I will do it in another way. I will click on more colors. So now we have this hexagon of colors, and I will choose, for example, this one. So the color chosen here will be displayed in this rectangle, and this rectangle will be split in two. So the upper color is the color chosen, and the bottom color here is the current white colors of the cells. So let's click on OK, and now let's change the font color. We go to the font here, click on the font color button, and let's choose white. And in order to make the text bold, I will simply hold on the Ctrl key and press the B button on the keyboard. Now after we finished with the colors, let's add some borders to the cells. So we select here the title cell. Now to add borders, we go to the font section, click on the down arrow of the borders button, and I will add a thick outside border to this cell. Now of course this will add a black outside border, and it will be hard to see since the color of this cell is dark blue. So let's try to change the color of the outside border. So we select this cell, go and click on the down arrow of the border button and click on more borders. So this will open the format cells dialog box with the border tab activated, and here let's choose the line style of the border. So I will choose a thick line, and let's choose here the color. So for this I will choose a light gray color. Now in order to show the setting chosen here in this box, we need to click on outline. So when we click on outline, this will show a gray thick outside border, and moreover you can click on these borders, for example, if you want to turn them off, and you can click back to turn them on. So let's hit the OK button, and you can see here we have this gray outside border. Now let's try to add borders for these cells, and for this I will add borders inside and borders outside. So we go to the font section, click on the down arrow, and I will click on add all borders. So you can see here we have inside borders and outside borders. So now you know some techniques in order to format the font colors, background colors, and border. They will be a good step in your knowledge of Excel formatting.